Hey, the SEP IRA or the SIMPLE IRA are two great options, two alternatives to a 401k plan. If you're a small business owner and you want to make tax-deductible contributions to reduce your income tax and increase your retirement savings, the SEP IRA or the SIMPLE IRA may be your best option. So in this post, and by the way, I posted this at bayrockfinancial.com, my company, but also at missionalmoney.com. I'll be talking about sharing these financial planning guides and checklists on the podcast moving forward. So this is another one. Had a client call recently. We're working on their plan. And so here's the scenario. The client could be you, small business owner, made more money than they really expected to make, couldn't contribute to their Roth IRA, and that raised a few flags, financial planning flags. And so one of the things we wanted to talk about, this particular client had a little side business, no employees, wants to contribute more money for retirement, wants to get a tax deduction. And so the question is, which one is better, the SEP IRA, the SIMPLE IRA, or should we even look at a 401k? And typically it's simpler to set up a SEP or a SIMPLE IRA. So in this post and this flow chart that I provide with a single click, you can click on the link and it'll take you right to the flow chart in this post. So go to bayrockfinancial.com or missionalmoney.com and just search SEP, S-E-P, if you want to read the post. So again, just there's an instant download. I answer some questions. The flowcharts are a really helpful tool for you to go through the decision process to decide whether or not the SEP IRA or the SIMPLE IRA would be better for you. I'm happy to meet with you in a quick Zoom call or phone call. There's a link in the post to set up a Zoom call or phone call if you like. But anyway, I hope this helps. If you're one of those folks who are thinking about ways that you can reduce your income tax by reducing your income by making a tax-deductible contribution to a retirement plan for your small business, this is possibly the best alternative, either the SEP IRA or the SIMPLE IRA. If you've been thinking about that, this post will help you make that decision. If you need some additional help, feel free to give me a call. Click the link and set up a Zoom meeting. One thing I did want to mention before I end this video, Charles Schwab, who we custody with, both personally and professionally, my company, Bayrock, I'm thrilled we have a relationship with Charles Schwab. I think they're fantastic. And if you're a do-it-yourself investor, this is a resource for you. And you'll notice that in the post, I have a lot of information from the Charles Schwab website, along with links to their process to set up your account online with them. It's just for educational purposes. I don't get any remuneration from Charles Schwab for promoting them, but I believe Charles Schwab is the best on the planet, which is why I'm thankful to be with Charles Schwab at Bayrock, my company. So anyway, that's a little behind the scenes. Just wanted you to know that these links that are live in this post are going directly to Charles Schwab with documents there. So anyway, if you have questions or comments, or if you want to talk about your specific situation, I'm available. I'm happy to meet with you. Feel free to share this post with friends, associates, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.